Hey everyone, want to take your intermittent fasting from good to game-changing? Today, I'm showing you how to sync your eating window to your circadian rhythm for max fat burn, energy, and sleep. What is circadian rhythm fasting? Your body follows a roughly 24-hour cycle. Light cues trigger hormones that control hunger, digestion, and metabolism. Circadian rhythm fasting means eating only when your internal clock is primed for food, generally from sunrise to mid-afternoon. Now, what are the top 3 benefits? First, enhanced fat burn. Your insulin sensitivity peaks in the morning, so carbs and protein get shuttled into muscles, not stored as fat. Second, improved sleep and recovery. Eating too late disrupts melatonin. Stopping by 3 p.m. helps you wind down naturally and supports nightly cellular repair. Third, balanced hormones. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is elevated in the early hours. Fasting later prevents blood sugar spikes and adrenal fatigue. So how to start? Here are 3 simple steps. Shift slowly. Move your 8-hour window earlier by 30 minutes every 2 days until you're eating from about 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Prioritize breakfast nutrition. Break your fast with protein and fiber, like an egg white omelet with spinach, to keep you full and stable. Hydration and light exposure. First thing in the morning, get 10 minutes of sunlight and sip water or herbal tea. This kickstarts digestion and resets your clock. If you haven't seen my first deep dive on intermittent fasting, myths and benefits, be sure to check it out in my channel's videos. Give circadian fasting a 2-week try and let me know how you feel in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more evidence-based hacks. See you next time.